Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to show you how to remove the MediaArena program, which is known for the executive file and desktop shortcut named PDFPower. This app is considered to be a potential unwanted application that has spyware-like capabilities. Additionally, it modifies your browser, so it starts showing you numerous ads on each page you visit. This is apparently some typical signs of adware. Crooks who stand behind this nasty thing earn a coin for each advertisement shown to its victims. Additionally, it redirects all your search queries to searchpoweronline.com website, which is suboptimal. However, it is not the only way they monetize their job. The detailed analysis in your sandbox shows that the Media Arena app is capable of keystroke logging and taking screenshots. Aside from that, it gathers a wide range of data about the system, which is far away from what programs typically need. Analyzes from another sandbox and run confirms this. Most likely, hackers collect this data to fingerprint the system, but there is also the probability that it may be used to replicate your system configuration to circumvent protection mechanisms that bear on tracking screen size, manufacturer, CPU model, browser name, and so on. As you can see, Media Arena is not just an unwanted app, but a really dangerous thing that puts its hands on personal data of yours without having any real reason to do so. To remove it, I'd recommend using Gridinsoft Anti-Malware. You can download it through the link in the description. Standard scan will be enough to remove Media Arena. It scans an entire system directory, the place where most threats reside. Aside from the files of this malware, it will also wipe out all changes to the system registry and test scheduler. It took just about 3 minutes to find every piece of this junky application. Let's click Clean Now and remove it for good. If you want to peek into the analysis from the sandboxes I've shown in the video, check out the description for links to both analyses. Good luck and stay safe online.